Today I'm going to be reviewing Schulian cable. This is the 1/4 to 1/8 inch. It's a 15-foot cord, very long. Did exactly what I needed. Sounded pretty good. I read the reviews. Some people said that these didn't fit in the end. I had no issue with these fitting into either my drum set or my amp, which is what I used. The length was perfect, what I needed. Over longer distances, sounds can get worse, but these seem to do really well. They are gold tip. It is a very thin cable. You can see right there, it's very thin. It's a little bit thinner than the cable I had before, but it was an old cable, and this just really fit the bill. I was looking for something inexpensive. This has a 4.6 rating with 585 reviews, which is what I wanted. I want something inexpensive that didn't just have 5 reviews on it. And so I bought this. It seemed to work really well. Like I said, sounded good. Some people say it's not a great sound. So if you're looking for like professional equipment, stuff for professional equipment, you might want to spend a little bit more. This seemed to work for me. So I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.